Yep. Oh, we just got back from a super 10 days bikepacking around northern Thailand. A lot of tracks and trails. Got back to find our coffee plantations doing well. Our one and only bush is bearing fruit. And I just wanted to quickly talk about the bag that I've been using on the front for the first time. It's made by Buffalo Bag, which is a small Thai company based in Bangkok. I bought it from Triple Cats, which is a great little bike shop in Chiang Mai. They've got some great stuff and great service. I'll put a link to both Triple Cats and Buffalo Bag in the description below. So the Buffalo Bag, it's a traditional canvas style saddlebag as once was, but now more and more people are using them on the handlebars, as I do. So the exterior is a traditional drab olive canvas. The interior is a far less traditional bright orange nylon. Makes it very easy to locate things within. It makes no claim to be waterproof. I do know it to be water resistant because we've used it in the rain on occasions and it's been fine, but everything that I put inside will be in plastic bags. That's the same with anything that I put on a bicycle. I don't trust anything to be waterproof. So the bag is cavernous. Put your luggage in, it rolls up, thus flips over, pulls everything together, and then the lid cinches down thus. It has a pocket either side, which is very convenient. It's a reasonable size and very convenient for keeping things that you want to get to quickly. GoPro camera, spectacles, anything like that. Another little feature that I realised whilst we were away, it's quite handy, is that this will fold in, creating more of a basket effect. So if you finished your day's travelling, you've got a little room somewhere and you need to nip off and get some beer, you can just throw it in quick and you can get back to the room with your beer all the quicker. All right, so let's have a look at how it fits on the bike. So we've got two wide Velcro straps. Depending on how your brake cables run will depend exactly how you do it. On this bike, I put the straps underneath the brake cable and simply roll one of the Velcro straps like this. The other comes over the top. On this bike I keep my gear cable in here, that's fine, but on your bike it may be different. And that's it, that side. Same this side. Job's jobbed. This is a ladder type strapping here, so if for any reason you felt you needed to, you could always put another strap through here, a different type of strap if that was useful to you. There is also a strap here just to hold it back if you feel that's necessary. That's also possible. Now it's just above the front wheel as it hangs like this, but bring up your center strap, flip it there, give it a good pull, and it's well away from the wheel. Of course this is empty. The more you've got in it, the closer it's going to drop towards your wheel. So this does pull it up out of the way, and then this gives you a little bit extra strength. And on our journey, because we've been doing a lot of off-road, I've been using these straps as a security, as extra. You could use a rack, a small rack, but I don't see any point in adding the weight of a rack when you don't need to, when this strap does exactly the same job, just gives a little bit more support. So then that really will pull it up out of the way. I've got two of them, obviously one either side. Now I've never used this style bag before, so I can't compare it with the others. There's numerous manufacturers, different parts of the world. All I can say is my experience so far has been very good. I find it to be of good quality. Value for money, this is the large size. The smaller one's almost the same actually, it's just an inch, so 25mm each side narrower. The depth and the width is all the same. This size is 5,000 baht, The smaller size is 4,500 baht, which is something like $150. I think compared to American and European brands, that's actually quite a good price, certainly compared to the American ones. And of course, obviously very convenient if you're already in Asia. They deliver anywhere. They come in a variety of colours. When you order your bag, you order the colour you want, and it's made to order. Finally, didn't come with the bag. This is a strap that I had, and this is useful if, like me, you end up flying a lot with your bicycle for work in better times. Handy shoulder strap, and there is your hand luggage. And that is about all I've got to say about that. Cheerio. And I almost forgot to mention, the eagle-eyed amongst you, and the fashion conscious particularly, will be no doubt admiring my shirt. This is the new Painted Roads Lab Rat shirts. Thank you very much to Keith for the design. We've just had these made. Painted Roads Lab Rat runs, they are one-off tours. They're by invitation, and it's the first of a tour that for some reason I've not even seen. I've organised it, and I'm confident, and I take the lab rats with me. As it says, lab rats, we suffer so you don't. Not so much a holiday as an experiment. Looking forward to seeing you soon, rats.